Y'all, today we're gonna make some St. Louis cut ribs. We're gonna break in my new Traeger with them today. Guys, I did the initial first look burn-in video, and I'll put the link for it up there if you wanna check it out. Finally got ourselves a Traeger in the backyard, and I can't wait to share all the cooks we're gonna do on it. Real quick, let me thank this week's sponsor, BetterHelp, but more on them later. It's one of the simplest recipes you're gonna ever have for ribs. Basically, we're just gonna give it some good flavor. Listen, I got some goodies from Chicken Fried Barbecue, and I'll put a link down below for them. But Bill Purvis is the man in competition barbecue cooking, and he blessed me with some of his barbecue sauces, his wraps, his rubs, a flag, all that good stuff. I'll throw a link down below to his website. Make sure you check it out, and I'll throw his YouTube channel in there too. All right, Bill is a good dude, good friend. Make sure you check him out. These ribs, simple as can be. We get them out of the package. We trim up the sides, trim up any loose fat, the skirt on the underneath, and then we're gonna take off that membrane, okay? Pretty simple. I know you've seen it 100 times on rib videos, okay? So here's 101. And then we're gonna season it up some of that Texas sweet grind from Chicken Fried Barbecue, okay? Everything we're using is Chicken Fried Barbecue on here. Has tons of flavor and gives it tons of great color too. And then we're gonna set up the Traeger. We're gonna start off by putting some of the Smokin Pecan pellets in there. You know, they're my favorite. Different pecan shells. They burn cleaner, they burn longer. They're one of my favorite pellets out there. Doesn't mean I don't use other pellets, but guys, I got the Smokin Pecan. If you wanna get some too, links down below. It'll save you 10%. All right. We're firing up our Traeger Woodridge Pro to 275, okay? Gonna let it go, get that smoke rolling, all that good stuff. And then as simple as putting those ribs on and letting them get all that good smoke. About 2 hours, 2.5 hours, okay? We're not overcooking our ribs here. These are not gonna be fall off the bone ribs. They're just gonna be nice, good tasting, have some structure to them, okay? Don't make crock pot ribs, as my wife does, all right? And then that's it. Before we get those ribs out on that grill, all right, I want to talk about this week's sponsor, BetterHelp. Listen, my goal this year is all about consistency, okay? Whether it's consistency in filming, in my weight loss journey, consistently taking Mrs. CJ out on date nights, consistency is the key. Consistency is not just a quick fix. It's a habit that's nurtured, and then it builds lasting support for your well-being. And that's why I'm glad I have BetterHelp. It helps me be consistent in taking care of my mental health. With BetterHelp, it makes it really easy. All you guys do is fill out a simple questionnaire, and they will match you with the therapist within a couple days. BetterHelp will match you with the therapist based on their own experiences, based on your preferences, and their own clinical expertise. And BetterHelp has over a decade of matching people with great therapists. Tell you what, if you don't jive with the therapist you're matched with, you can switch at any time. So join the 6 million people plus that have already worked with BetterHelp. It's definitely the platform you can trust. Click the link on my video description or go to betterhelp.com/cookingwithcj, and it'll save you 10% on your first month's therapy. Thanks to BetterHelp for being such a great channel sponsor and partner over the years. Now guys, let's get those ribs on. What do you say? All right, we get these ribs on. Just give them the rest of that smoke. All right, guys, we're about an hour in. Doing a little spritz. Just let it do its thing. We're getting a lot of good smoke going right now, too. All right, team, we are 2.5 hours into the cook. Get the instant readout. See where we're at. Climbing a little bit, 170. Yep, 170 on that one. A little bit more on the other one. This one's a little thinner. All right, time to pull these and wrap them. Time to get these bad boys inside. All right, team, we got the ribs inside. I'm gonna go down with a little bit of honey. Get the most ridiculously sized bottle of honey from Costco. Get a little bit more of that sweet Texas grind. Get one of these meaty bad boys on. I'm gonna kind of fold this up a little bit. Get a little bit more of that grind on the back. Just a little bit more honey on the back because I like them sweet, baby. And we got the pork and rib wrap from Chicken Fried Barbecue. And guys, I'll put a link down below for Bill's website, Chicken Fried Barbecue. Okay. Just a little bit in there. And we wrap it up real easy like, because you don't want these bones to puncture through. Just fold it up and over. All right, it's ready to go back on the grill. We got our ribs on. Gonna shut it down. Probably another hour or so to get it to about 205, 206, where we want it to be. And then we'll sauce them up. All right, team, we're temping out 205. It's going in real nice and easy like. 209, give or take. All right, these are both good to go. Now we're gonna take them and sauce them up. Carefully open these up. Give these a flip. Y'all, that is some great color going on right there. Let's sauce it up, huh? Keep with the theme. We got some chicken fried barbecue's original barbecue sauce. Listen, I'm not a saucy kind of guy, so we're just gonna do a light coat. Just take and lightly brush it on. All right, we're gonna shut this down, give it about 5-10 minutes just to set that sauce. Then we'll take them in the house, chop them up. All right, y'all, we got the ribs inside the house. Let's go ahead and take a look and chop them up. Cut up this rack of ribs because I'm doing a reel for Instagram. Guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, it's _cooking with CJ. Get over there too. I'm doing a lot of good stuff over there too. So let's get these things chopped up. Guys, that is juicy as can be. Beautiful color. Woo. Yeah, it's going to be a tasty rib for sure. Let me cut the rest of these up and we'll give it a try. Y'all, these ribs are looking too dang good. The Traeger did amazing work on these awesome ribs. I'll have a link down to Traeger. It's an affiliate link. Doesn't cost you more to use it, but if you do want one of these Traegers, guys, I'm impressed so far. So if you want to take advantage, grab that link too, okay? But other than that, it's the moment I've all been waiting for. Let's get a bite. Oh yeah. Oh man. That right there is a clean ass bite, y'all. Definitely finger looking good. Everything we did to doctor up these ribs made them perfect, all right? So I suggest you guys make them this way, okay? But other than that, guys, we are done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.